After using Animated Container, we can now learn about the Animated Opacity widget. The Animated Opacity widget in Flutter is a built-in widget that allows us to animate the opacity of a widget. It is similar to the opacity widget, but instead of directly setting the opacity property, it animates it for a child widget. To use the Animated Opacity widget, open a Flutter project and add it to your code. The Animated Opacity widget takes a duration parameter, which specifies the duration of the opacity animation. Additionally, it requires an opacity parameter that defines the final opacity value for the child widget. When the opacity value changes, the widget automatically animates the transition between the old and new opacity values. Now, let's put a container inside the Animated Opacity widget to display it and assign a color to it. Declare a variable to check whether it is visible or not. To make the Animated Opacity widget clickable, wrap it with a gesture detector. Here, the value can be set as the opposite. The Animated Opacity widget animates the opacity of the child container widget based on the value of the isVisible Boolean variable. When isVisible is true, the child widget is fully visible with an opacity of 1. When isVisible is false, the child widget is fully transparent with an opacity of 0. By using the Animated Opacity widget, developers can easily create animations that gradually fade in or fade out a widget, adding visually appealing effects to user interfaces. In the next video, we will learn about the Animated Crossfade widget. Thank you for watching.